So we're given that in an arithmetic sequence, right, A1 is equal to 2 and A4 is equal to 11. So how do I relate A1 to A4? Right, notice that from 2, knowing that this is an arithmetic sequence, there's going to be a common difference where I have to add the common difference 3 times to get to 11. What this means is 2 plus adding d 3 times is the same thing as adding 3d. This must equal to 11. Okay, so given this, right, all I have to do is subtract 2 to both sides, and then I get 3d is equal to 9. So then dividing both sides by 3, that means the common difference is 3. So the arithmetic sequence associated with this sequence here is just going to be the first term, right? So an is equal to the first term plus n minus 1 times the common difference 3, right? So now if I want to find A20, all I do is plug in 4, n is 20. Then this is going to be 2 plus 19 times 3, right? And that's just going to be 2 plus, this is 57, right? So adding 2 to that, A20 is going to be 59, and that's going to be option B.